Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been away for so long. I feel like you should welcome me back to my YouTube channel. It's so good to be back, and I promise you that from here on we're just going to consistently share videos, have phenomenal people tell us about their lives, tell us about how they made it, so we'll be both inspired and entertained. The new subscribers, welcome. My name is Faith Ngomedulu Simelane. You can call me Mrs. Skeel. And to my retaining subscribers, thank you very much, guys, for believing in such a small channel that is growing, and I'm growing with you, and you are my first fruits, and thank you very much. Today I'm back with a tutorial. A few weeks ago, a friend of mine got married, and the second day I had no idea what to wear. It was mostly a traditional setup. It's called umhlambiso. So yeah, I got like two of our traditional lihiya and I made that into a top. So I'll just teach you how I did that. It's so easy. So that's it, guys. It's very easy. I don't even need to give you instructions. You saw what I did. It's a very easy look and simple, cheap. You just use lihiya that you find in your wardrobe. If you don't have, go purchase it. This is a lovely look. I'd be happy to do it again and again and again. And that's it for today, guys. Please make sure that you do not leave this without subscribing. I need you all to press that subscribe button. Do not watch only. Please press that subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Till next time, guys, God bless. Love you so much. Mwah.